We are going from Nordkapp in Norway all the way to South Africa in a project called 5 Athlon. First section is skiing from Nordkapp to Rovaniemi.
We are digging a hole for our tent. Boots out helps a lot. I tell you what, the skiing is the easiest part of the journey. It's unbelievable. Digging the place every day, it's quite a job. But it's very good. Body works in all the different directions, and mentally also it's quite nice and challenging, and Sailor, I think, loves it. Am I right?
The whole project will take around 2.5 years. Welcome aboard!